Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Belém, Portugal, which is really Lisbon, but I'm at Saint Jerónimos Monastery, and it's huge and amazing. Look at this. So this is the church side, and you can see how big it is compared to the people down there. It is huge, but watch this. It goes, and it goes, and it goes, and it goes some more. Oh my gosh. It goes way down there. It's pretty amazing. But I think it has a lot of Moorish kind of influence inside. And so they have pictures of it. And so I'm going to see about going in here and doing what I can do. But I want to get the front door picture. I hope I can get in. It says exit. Oh, tickets. So here's the tickets over here. Well, I guess we gotta go find tickets. Is that amazing? And this whole front door is just incredibly cool. Wow. All right. Well, let me go see if I can get a ticket, and I'll come back and get inside. Okay. Bye, everybody. Okay, the tickets are $12 each, and you have to get them across the street, which is kind of interesting. So you go over there and get your tickets, and then you come in here and you go through a couple of lines, and then you're here. And this is what the lines look like. I don't know if it's a certain time or what the deal is, but we will find out. And it is gorgeous. Okay, here we go. Bye, everybody. Okay. And this is this is going to the cloister. Pretty amazing. Wow. Wow. I will be right back. All right. Wow. The ceilings are amazing too. And you can get the tower right up there in the picture too, which is really neat. These arches are incredible. I think I'm going to go over to this corner and let's see if I can do one with my phone so you can see what that looks like. So I can see the corner this way, and if I turn it this way, but if I take my phone and zoom out, let me see if I can get my photo to do it, 0.5, there you go. Now look at my phone. I get both corners, so it's pretty amazing. Oh, why did it zoom in? Okay. Anyway, we tried. I can do it too, but I don't know what that's for. Let's do that. Let's try this one more time. There we go. That's better. Okay. Phew. I guess we go that way. All right, I'll be right back. I guess we're going down to the bottom half. That's such a great view down that way. Amazing. I like how all the columns are kind of different. This one's a rope tied. This one's got flowers on it. They're all kind of different through the whole thing, you know? Okay, here's another room. I guess I just don't want to keep taking the same pictures for everything. Wow. Each tile has to be hand painted, and because they're different. This one's this branch, this one's this branch, this one's this branch. Wow. Wow, wow. And what's interesting too is that this has to be drawn and then painted, and all the tiles have to be put together. And they do this on the outside of their houses too, which is pretty amazing. I think in Spain they put this kind of stuff on the inside, but here in Portugal I think they put them on the outside. I've seen buildings on the outside with this kind of artwork. Amazing. Okay, I'm moving on. Bye-bye.